Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to return Temu items. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, let's go to our Temu app and then click this profile right here and then go to your orders. Now here we have this all orders processing, shipped and delivered. As you can see, I have no any products available to return, but if you have, click the item that you want to return and look for return or refund option, then select the reason for your return from the list provided. After selecting the reason, confirm your request return. You may be asked to provide additional details or upload photos depending on the return reason. And if your return is approved, Temu will provide you with a prepaid return shipping label. Print this label and attach it to your package. And carefully pack the items you're returning. Ensure that it's securely packed to prevent any damage during transit. And then drop off the package at designated courier location or schedule a pickup if available. You may use the tracking number to monitor the shipment. Temu may update you once they receive the item. Then once Temu processes your return, the refund will be issued to your original payment method. The time it takes to receive your refund may vary based on your payment method. Here is where you find the return items. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.